What is going on, guys? Chris Barr first here. Today we are going to be doing a review on my Howard Miller David. This is my first mechanical clock I've got. This is a really nice clock. If you want something pretty nice but affordable, this is your option right here. Things that you notice on the side of the clock, there's nothing on here. Beautiful pillars going all the way up to the arch up here. Same thing down. You got a beautiful pendulum. The glass is a little dirty right now. I'll have to clean it. Opening here for urn finial. And when you open the door, it does fall off sometimes, so we just pop that back on there. You gotta open the door nice and gently. So, we would focus camera. There, Westminster chimes. I'll remove that. You got the beautiful Howard Miller logo. That is gorgeous. Perfect. Beautiful. Alright. So, pendulum. This is high quality Howard Miller quality. We're gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like. Dirty. And the hour. Okay, so that was 12, now it's 12:12. Now, that means it would be right there, and that would be the right time. Alright, folks, that's it. That's basically my Howard Miller David. This clock is beautiful. If you got a small wall to put it on, this is a perfect clock for you. Something that's cheap and reasonable, and you don't want a high-end clock like a grandfather clock, this is a perfect option. Yeah, the top looks like something that you would see on the grandfather clock, actually. So this is a really nice clock, I like it. And until next time, I guess we will see you guys next time.